1800W electric powered washer with hose reel. For quick connect spray tips, Homself 3000 site 1.80 GPM electric pressure washer, powerful motor generating max 3000 site pressure 2.40 GPM for heavy duty cleaning jobs. Text-to-speech total stop system powered washer features safety automatic total stop system TSS, which automatically shuts off the pump when triggered, is not engaged to save energy and prolong pump life. 33 feet/10 amp power cord with inline GFCI for use on all exterior outlets for quick connect spray tips from 0, 15, 25 and 40 to tackle light, medium and heavy duty cleaning tasks easily. You can choose the most suitable flow to wash various surfaces. Multifunctional ideal pressure cleaning solution for all type of vehicles: cars, SUVs, ATVs, boats, RVs and homes, driveways, decks and etc. Easily gets rid of dirt, grime, gunk, oil, rust, mildew and so on. It has outdoor cleaning power to make quick cleaning jobs. 20 feet high pressure hose are provided for greater reach, easy to install and eco-friendly, no gas, oil or toxic carbon emissions. The power washer just needs to install with a few simple attachments. The hose and nozzles are easily connected to the pressure washer body. IPX5 waterproof and COD approved certifications guarantee you purchase a safe and well-built machine.